Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find out the first YouTube channel you've ever subscribed to. So go to myactivity.google.com, make sure you've logged on to the correct account. Go to other activity and scroll down until you find YouTube channel subscriptions. See and delete your subscriptions on YouTube channels. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down. And this is the end. The first channel I ever subscribed to is apparently Stuart Edge. I used to watch his videos a lot. May 15th, 2014. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.